Hi there. Welcome back to Technical Tips. I'm Robert. Today we will explore how you can enter multiple lines of text into a single Excel cell. Why would you want to do that? Well, check out this worksheet, which contains a list of products. The worksheet has all sorts of product-specific information, but you want to add several additional notes on each specific product. Ideally, you want each note to be on a separate line, but within the same product row, as shown here. But that is not how Excel normally behaves. I'll delete this. Let's try entering this note from scratch. Manufactured in California. Enter. Customer favorite. Enter. Finally, must be purchased in lots of 100. Enter. Notice that each note goes into the row below the previous note each time we hit enter. Clearly, this is not what we want. Let's delete all that and try again. Let's enter the 3 notes without hitting the enter key. Manufactured in California. Customer favorite. Must be purchased in lots of 100. Now we have a different problem. The text did not wrap and has extended outside of our table. We can fix this by enabling Excel's Wrap Text feature in the alignment section of the ribbon display. But even so, each note's start and end are unclear. Let's delete that again. Here's the best solution. Hit Alt-Enter at the end of each sentence rather than just Enter alone. In other words, hold down the Alt key, then press Enter. Manufactured in California. Alt-Enter. See how the cursor moves to a new line within the same cell. Customer favorite. Alt-Enter. Must be purchased in lots of 100. This last note can end with a regular Enter key to finish the cell. That looks perfect. One more tip before we wrap up. If you're working with text in the formula bar, up here, you might not see all your lines of text. Here's how you can extend the number of lines shown. Move your mouse cursor to the bottom of the formula bar until you see a double-headed arrow. Click and drag down to extend the formula bar. This way you can see more of your text without constantly scrolling. And there you have it. You can now easily enter and view multiple lines of text in a single cell, making your Excel spreadsheets more organized and readable. I hope this video has inspired you to enter multiple lines of text into your Excel worksheets. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and check out some of these other videos for more tips and tricks. Also, comment below with what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching.